All right, so before we begin, I want to kind of point out a few things about the data. In the deliverable or the package that you probably got from North Carolina DOT, it's basically giving you a whole bunch of files. So understanding the directory structure, determining what data you need and what information you want is going to be essential and a key to moving forward with this process. What we really want to try to get is XML files of the alignments and the surfaces of the existing ground and the top of the surface. Now, they give you some XMLs with some alignments, this ALG file and these other XML files, and then there's a bunch of DTMs, and these DTMs or TINs are basically the same thing, they're just in two different formats. We have to convert the DTM into an XML if we can't get the XML directly from as a deliverable. And there's actually a way to do that, and I'll show you that in the following video. The other thing that I want to point out is if I go to Business Center here, and you can see that when I bring this data in, I'm going to have a bunch of break lines that have been identified with some naming templates and stuff. So to make your life easier, if you go to this web page, which is connect.nc.gov, projects, roadway, list, template. There's a bunch of information in here under projects, but it lists and displays what this nomenclature is. So there's a whole set of design templates and stuff, and I can kind of tell from this what my subgrade is, what my tie out is, stuff like that. So having this information is going to be helpful when determining what information you have to work with. All right, so it's really just understanding these points so that we can use those in the model building process of Business Center to do the takeoff. All right, so I just wanted to kind of point that information out so that you understand it is available.